Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to turn on screen recording with the microphone on. So, like when you record yourself, you can hear yourself in the video. So, here we go. First, you go to settings. You know settings? So, settings. Sorry about that. Oh, here it is, right there. Okay, go to settings, then you gotta go to control center, right there. Yeah, control center. Then what you do is you go to customize controls. Then you go down. See screen recording right there. Right there, so you tap on your plus. And it's there. So that's how you do that. And you can put your home button for him. Yeah, difficult. There we go. And now we swipe down in the top left right corner. Yeah, swipe down. There we go. And the little circle, that's the screen recording button. So you tap on that. Wow. Tap on that. Why working? Not working. Well, sorry about that. Well, if it did work, you hold it down, and it said you go all the way bottom, and then it will say turn on microphone. It's usually off, but it is not. So then you could like videotape yourself like doing Minecraft, Fortnite, and Roblox, and all those good games. Like, all good games. So, if you have any questions, go to the comment below. And please leave a like and subscribe. Sorry for the technical difficulties. And see you next time. Bye! Yeah, it's hard. Yeah.